Tired of feeling trapped in the clutches of procrastination? Do you want to achieve your dreams but fear is holding you back? Today, we're going to discover a simple yet incredibly powerful technique, the 5-second rule. This rule can unleash your potential and propel you towards success. Are you ready to let go of the excuses and start taking action? So what exactly is the 5-second rule? At its core, it's a mechanism to trick your brain into taking action before it has a chance to stop you. It's a powerful tool in today's fast-paced world, where overwhelming information and endless distractions can paralyze us. Imagine this. You have a task you know you need to do, but instead of starting, you find yourself scrolling through social media or watching yet another video. The 5-second rule helps you break that cycle. It's simple, it's effective, and it can be the catalyst you need to finally achieve those goals you've set for yourself. Now, let's delve into the science. Why does this work? Our brains are hardwired for survival. When faced with a new or challenging situation, we often resort to the fight, flight, or freeze response. In the context of procrastination, this often translates to freezing or avoidance. Our brain prioritizes inaction because it's safe, familiar. It tells us, don't do it. It's too risky. It's uncomfortable. Dead. But this is where the magic of the 5-second countdown comes in. When you feel the urge to act on something, whether it's getting out of bed, making that difficult phone call, or starting a project and you start counting backward from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, do it. You're activating your prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for decision-making and deliberate action. You're interrupting the cycle of doubt and inaction before your brain can sabotage you. It's a way to override our primal avoidance instincts and push us forward. Now that you've got the theory down, let's see what this looks like in real life. The beauty of the 5-second rule is that it's incredibly versatile. Have to make that awkward call? Don't think about it. The moment the idea comes to you, count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and dial it. Want to start exercising but feel low on energy? Instead of debating, get up and put on your gym clothes while you count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Need to give a public presentation and nerves are killing you? Before fear paralyzes you, count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and take that first step toward the podium. I've seen this work time and time again. Let me share a personal anecdote. There was once a time I was procrastinating on a difficult video. I had the script, but I just couldn't bring myself to start. I counted to 5 over and over again, and finally at 1, I just hit record. And once I started, inertia took over. Stories like these are common. People have used it to get out of bed on time, to start difficult conversations, to apply for new jobs, even to face their deepest fears. The key is immediate action. The 5-second rule is an incredible tool for getting started, but it's not a one-size-fits-all magic bullet. To truly harness its power, you need consistency. The more you practice it, the easier it will become. You'll be building unstoppable momentum. You can also combine it with other productivity techniques. For example, if you're struggling with a big project, use the 5-second rule to start with a small task, then use the Pomodoro technique to stay focused for short bursts. Now, let's face it, there will be challenges. Sometimes you'll count to 1 and still stop. That's okay. Don't beat yourself up. Just try again next time. The common objection is that it's too simple. And yes, it is. But its simplicity is its greatest strength. There's nothing complex to learn. You just have to do it. In short, the 5-second rule is a surprisingly effective tool for overcoming procrastination and inertia. It helps us override our avoidance instincts and propels us to immediate action. Remember, it's simple. When you feel the urge to do something, count backward from 5 and then act. I encourage you to experiment with this technique in your own life. Start small and watch your confidence grow. You'll be amazed at what you can accomplish when you stop overthinking and simply act. Have you tried the 5-second rule? Or do you have your own strategies for beating procrastination? I'd love to hear about it. Share your experiences and success stories in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and hit the bell so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.